Well, you know, I was just sitting here thinking it's been over 3 years since I've seen my mate Craig, and oh,
I'm here. I told you I'd come back.
he's here. He's back.
Yeah, today I'm out and about with Queensland's favourite YouTuber, Steve Mack. Only here for a short time.
Yeah.
But you said if I come back, you'll take me out and about today.
I will. And there's someone else we're going to take out and about today too.
Yeah, the princess is here.
Who's that?
Yeah, well, she's not. Here she is.
Come on.
The princess is here as well.
Introducing the princess.
And Letty's somewhere, but she's shy, as you know.
She's getting the car.
She's getting the car ready. So we're going to go out for an adventure. We're going to document with film today. So
video.
I have no idea where I'm going. So
I do.
Do you? Or are you just going to wing it?
Yeah.
He's going to wing it. I think he's going to wing it, but anyway. Hope you enjoy the video.
Yes.
And yeah, stay with us.
Let's see what we end up doing.
Yeah, it should be fun.
Before we go, Craig's taking the e-bike for a quick test. There we go. Looks like it does have a bit of power behind it. How'd it go, Craig?
Yeah, it was good. I actually enjoyed it. It's actually got a bit of grunt, hasn't it?
Has it?
Yeah, just go for your gears.
Yeah.
Your low gears up the hill, there's no effort. I'm not
Well,
very fit.
No effort for you.
But it does most of the work for you. Probably does 80% of the work.
Just a warning for anyone. This video does contain me wheezing with my asthma because we've had nothing but smoke from back burning since last weekend.
Back in the tomorrow. This time tomorrow will be there.
Look at all the smoke everywhere. It's been here all week. We're going to check out my first time also, Ipswich Nature Centre. Aren't we, Craig? Ipswich Nature Centre.
First stop, Ipswich Nature Centre.
And that's how you vlog. It says animals can't come in, Craig. Why is Craig being let in?
Really nice. Really nice. It's free to get in.
Free to get in, yes, good point.
How good's that?
Very good.
How many places you can go to?
Wallaby and a lace monitor. Does it mean he checks out, like, if you make fancy lace products?
Apparently in here's a lace monitor,
But he's hiding. He's over here.
Oh, there he is. He's a big fella, isn't he? Right.
There he is.
Zoom in.
Where is he? Oh, over there.
Yeah, there he is.
Oh.
Sunbaking in the sun.
Not doing a lot. But then again,
No.
this is why they don't charge admission. Because the animals don't do anything.
We're going to see a lot of non-active animals, eh?
I don't know. I think we've seen them. There's 2 animals. I don't know, but it's free to get in.
Cool.
Not as big as Lone Pine Sanctuary.
It's pretty cool. That's what he does.
No.
Silly bites.
He's on the move now. It's a better angle of the monitor lizard. No, lace monitor.
Lace monitor, yeah.
Lace monitor.
Yeah.
He moves like a sloth.
We get lots of them in the in Western Australia.
Do you?
Yep.
In politics? Or?
In the Pilbara.
Yeah. Is that why what's his name? Mark?
Mark McGowan.
Is that why he resigned?
Maybe.
Guess it'll all come out in the wash, won't it?
It will.
See you, lace monitor. There's a Bobo. Bobo's mate.
A little Bobo.
Yeah. Hey, Bobo's friend. It's got a little house. A bigger house than Bobo. And black cockatoos. Black cockatoo. Hello. Not doing a lot. Are they Bobo's friend? Where is Bobo? There he is. Oh. So aside from the animals, it's quite a serenic place. I haven't been here for decades. This was just a park. Last time I was ever hanging around here I never hung around.
There's some bats up there.
Is there?
Yeah. Might come down here, you'll be able to see them.
Bats. You mean flying foxes?
Yeah, flying foxes, fruit bats, whatever you call them.
Nice
A
lagoon.
whole tree full of them up there.
There's lots of those around. Pesky little things. There's some ducks over there.
Just above me is a tree full of bats. Pretty sure
Vulcan
they're
Craig.
fruit bats, flying foxes, whatever you want to call them. I'll zoom in, have a look. But there's probably over 20 of them, probably 30 or something, all sleeping up there in the sun.
Just don't stand beneath them.
No, they like
They send you
put on people's heads.
crazy as batshit.
Yeah, I believe so.
Annoying flying foxes. Quite well
Really
done,
beautiful park, isn't it?
considering it was just a park.
So much Australian wildlife.
Not a bad use of land, it was just a park. What do you think, Craig the vlogger?
Who's this fella with the camera?
It's us. It's in Ipswich and it's all free to come in, which is always nice. I mean, to be honest, they could charge a few bucks admission if they wanted, but I guess the people of Ipswich, the ratepayers, pay for it, so nice to get something back for your money. I thought this was a Tasmanian devil sort of thing, but it's a spotted tail quoll. Look at that. And I have to admit, I've never seen one of these.
Over here we have the
Oh, there you go. And there's another one over here.
just there. Yeah, tucked away. Lovely.
Where is he?
He's in there.
Oh. And this is a different type.
Yeah,
I can't see him.
it's an eastern quoll.
So he's on the east side and this other one here's on the west side.
Gotcha.
I don't know what's going on. Even a variety of snakes here. Snakes are not really my thing.
Mostly on the east coast of Australia.
Snakes.
Up in the Northern Territory, North Queensland.
Check out Craig's video for the snakes. Where's Craig?
Down over
Oh, there he
here.
is.
I found a skink.
It's found a stink.
I always said stink.
Stink, bro.
He's a skink, bro.
Is it a choice snake?
He's a lizard.
Is he?
Yeah, he's a lizard.
As for
He's
the
a blue-tongued
Kiwis, what
skink.
thing?
He must be related to the blue-tongued lizard. I would assume.
There you go.
And that's classed as a farm spotted park over here.
Yeah, so check out Craig's video for his version of this little tour. But we're not finished yet. Damn, what a big wombat. Bloody said they had wombats here, but look at the size of the thing. Holy smoke. What a big fella. He's on the move. Walking around the wombat. There he goes. He's big.
He's a big boy.
Yes. Wow.
And as solid as a rock.
Sure is. This is where he ran to.
Yeah. You can pose here.
Hmm.
Get through the glare a bit.
Look at that. There you go.
There he goes.
To his patio. Oh, changed his mind.
Yep,
Is it you going to come with me or not?
I know. It's coming back.
Oh,
Oh, he's got another one.
oh,
There he
it's
is.
access
he's
all
running.
areas.
Oh, where is he? You can't see all the glare.
No. Wow. There's a wedge-tailed eagle in an enclosure. Yeah, not a bad place.
Over the distance there, let's see if we can zoom in, but that's the black swan.
I saw some of those when I went to
And you
WA.
find black swans in WA, on the
That's
Swan
right.
River, right in
Yes.
Perth. Very common in WA. The Swan River's named after them. So you'll find them right in the city of Perth, on the river there. Beautiful bird.
That's right. That's where I saw my first black swan was in WA when I went there.
Very good.
Nice. Well, this is a bilby burrow. Bilby burrow.
Yeah, I've got the bilbies in here, too, but I don't... Think we're going to see many?
No. It's totally black.
After a while, their eyes adjust. We can actually just stay here for all we actually see. And they're mainly in Western Australia, but also found in Northern Territory, a little bit in Queensland, New South Wales. I don't think we're allowed to put our flashlights on, so
We won't do that.
they're running around. They're only small. Look, can you see that?
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, they're only small. They're like the size of a mouse.
Whole lot of kangaroos here,
Yeah, they're kangaroos.
having a nap.
Yeah, having their nap during the day, Steve.
And here comes the emu.
Emus, yep, and they're found all over Australia.
Hello, emu.
Even here in Ipswich is a native bird here.
He's on patrol.
Yep, he's on patrol.
That's why
Patrolling the fence.
these guys are so relaxed, they don't have to worry about anything. Here comes the emu.
He's a pretty boy. Or girl, not sure.
Going to grunt again. Hello. Hello. Goodbye. He's on patrol. There's a dingo. Hey, dingo. The size of him. Hey. Hey, fella. Another wolf. A dingo. At this point I had to prematurely leave the tour because I was busting to go to the toilet. But watch Craig's video for the rest of the tour of this nature park. Well, that was a bit of a walk, but let's continue on to the next place. Well, the next stop is coming up in Fernvale, which you guys have seen before. But this time, we have passengers.
You do?
We do.
And we just arrived in Ferndale?
Fernvale.
Fernvale.
Which you'll find in the bakery in a minute, which you guys on my channel have seen.
Yeah.
We're going to be opening much longer because it's like down. There's the old fluffy dogs and taking the rules and everything.
You don't see horses riding in every day in the main streets and stuff.
So here's commentary.
We're going to be opening much longer because it's like down. There's the old fluffy dogs and taking the rules and everything.
And you've seen this before, but this one's for people like Puppy Breath. Only this time we have Craig and Erin and Letty in the Fernvale Bakery.
And because you did that, we couldn't keep track of how much she was putting through. It's all your fault, Steve.
Oh no, sorry.
There you go. And what did you get? You got the pie with peas,
That's a curry one.
curry
Can I
peas.
have one of those forks?
Yes, there's
What did Letty get?
Thank you.
I had
What have you got? Butter chicken.
butter chicken.
Butter chicken. And Steve?
I've forgotten. One of those. And
Oh, you've got the same as
one of
us.
these.
One of each. Just over the top up. Show the peas.
Butter chicken.
How cool is that?
Look at that.
All right.
Oh, don't look at me, I'm irrelevant.
Look, it's
Yummy.
got peas.
Too hyped up by the movie.
What do you reckon, Steve? Are you good?
And I told you not to film when I was messy faced.
You're messy. Not face not that messy. Come on.
It will be.
It's enjoyable. How many girls?
He wears the whole lot.
You have to wear your pie in Queensland.
Wear it.
Wear it.
That's that way people know you're enjoying it.
Like the Romans did.
Exactly.
We'll chunder up to show they had a good meal.
Yeah. All right, now we've polished off lunch. Where to next?
Up the road to Wivenhoe Dam.
Wivenhoe Dam. Well, sounds good to me. Let's go.
Alright, pie's finished, but before we go to the next destination, I remember last time I was here I didn't video it. Can we get through there, Craig?
You can. You can't get through, sorry, but you can have a look.
Oh, good.
Not much to see.
Oh, they've covered it up. Oh, there you go. An old Model T, original delivery vehicle for the bakery here. It's covered up at the moment. You guys have seen this in my videos before, but there's Wivenhoe Dam. Okay, now We've just stopped at a little place at Wivenhoe Dam here. That's okay. Aaron just pulled out my hair as I was alighting from the vehicle. Haven't actually ever done a video at this particular lookout.
Not a bad lookout.
It's not bad, is it?
Bit dry over there, bud.
Oh yeah.
We've got plenty of room for
Wow. Yeah, it is down. I've done a few drone videos here. There's Craig. A little bit of behind the scenes footage here. Craig and I have just been marking our territory. Actually, last time I was here was almost a year ago on my birthday, 12th of June. So we're heading up to that now, slowly. Oh, a nice little spot this would have been. I don't know why it's closed. Well, we'll have to put this insert in. Having dinner on night 2 here with Craig, Aaron, Letty, and we're all having Thai in one form or another, aren't we?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
Green curry.
Green curry
And there's
and the chicken satay.
That looks really good. That
It's
is
quite nice.
Wow.
And that's what we're having tonight. After a day of vlogging.
It is. It's tiring, you know.
It is exhausting. But mind you, there's a brand new Bentley Mulsanne Turbo outside.
It's not mine.
It's not ours, so we haven't quite made it to that level on YouTube yet. But if you like and subscribe, you never know.
You never know.
Got to be in it to win it.
That's it.
Well, it's been a lightning quick visit, but
It has been, unfortunately.
a good one anyway.
It has been good.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll
Yeah, and
see you
thanks
later.
for you and Letty taking the princess and I out today. We've had a wonderful time.
And apparently, you're not allowed to promote other channels anymore. So,
no,
yeah, if you want to mention what channel you are, I'll look over there.
yeah, you out and about with Craig. I'm sure Steve might put a link below. We'll don't know. I don't know if he's allowed to or not, but he might. So look in the description, and there might be a link to my channel. I predominantly do travel videos, out and about videos.
What were you saying? Oh,
No, sorry.
nothing? Oh, okay. See you all soon.
See you all soon.
Cheers again.
Bye. How do you want from me now?